What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Octavia.Darling. If you're new here, I create content related to my locks, lifestyle, health, and fitness journey. So before we hop in this video, go ahead and give your girl a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Let's hop into it. So I will be touching up my color using the L'Oreal High Color Highlights in the color Golden Blonde. I'll be using 2 packs of this color and 1 pack of the Honey Blonde. Make sure you have your 30 or 40 volume developer, some plastic clips, latex gloves, your processing caps, and Vaseline or some oil to put on the perimeter of your head. Alright, so first you want to start off with sectioning your hair into 4 sections or 6 sections, 8 sections, however many sections you want to do. It all is based on your preference. I like to do 4 sections because it's easier for me to apply the color this way and have a better control over the size of the sections that I am using. Next, grab your oil or Vaseline, apply it to the perimeter of your hair to protect your skin from the color and any color stains, okay? Moving along, you're going to get your mixing bowl, and I would recommend that you get a mixing bowl that has the measurements on it and not one like me, so that you can be very, very precise with the amount of developer you're putting into the bowl. Me, on the other hand, I have to eye it, but I've colored my hair enough to kind of know how much 2.4 ounces of developer, what it looks like in a mixing bowl. So that's what you see me doing, just pouring the developer in the bowl first, and then after you pour the developer, you're going to add your color. We're starting off with the first pack of the Golden Blonde. Squeeze the color out. This is not the easiest thing to do. I'm telling you, you'll definitely want to use both of your hands to do this because it requires a lot of strength. But after you squeeze the color out, you're going to use your brush to go ahead and mix the color. You want to make sure that there's no clumps and mix it as well as you can so that it's a nice smooth mix and it'll be easy to apply to your locks. So I'm starting off with the first section. I like to start at the ends first, and yes, you see me picking up the color with my hands and applying it that way and not using the brush. This is mainly because the first time I colored my hair and I used a brush, I realized that it didn't do such a good job. I don't know if it's because the color didn't like seep through the locks or what, but after a few times of coloring my hair, I realized just using my hands and massaging the color into my locks allows me to have a better result, you know? So by all means, do what's best for you, but what's best for me is just by using my hands and massaging the color into my locks. So I am actually going to repeat this same step throughout the rest of my hair, section by section, okay? Make sure you're starting at the ends first, and then you're massaging the color and working your way up to the top. You want to also make sure that you're leaving a nice amount out by your roots so that you can do that last, since that is the part of your hair that will process the quickest. Okay, so this is how my locks look with the golden blonde color applied. As you can see, the 2 packs of the color did a pretty good job. Remember, this is just a color touch up, okay? So I didn't need that many packs of color to, you know, touch it up. Next, I'm moving on to applying the honey blonde to my roots. You should actually start in the back first and then work your way up to the front. But I accidentally did it the opposite way. So I just had to keep going with it. It was too late to turn back now, okay? So for this part, I do like to use my brush because it allows me to paint the color onto my roots easier opposed to just using my hands to do that. And that way it can have a very nice application by doing it this way as well. So yes, make sure that you're getting the back of your hair as well, okay? Make sure you're getting your roots back there. Make sure you're getting the middle. And you want to move as quick as possible because remember I told you your roots process quicker than your actual locks, okay? Make sure you're getting your edges. We don't want to see any black patches just randomly throughout your head. We want it to look nice and even with the color. And if you have any color left over, just go ahead and apply it over your locks again, okay? It won't hurt nobody. You don't want to waste it either. It's not like it's cheap. So use whatever you have left in a bowl to apply to the rest of your locks, okay? Next, you want to go ahead and grab your processing caps and use as many as you need. I like to use 3, not because I have a big head, but because I have a lot of hair, okay? Let the color sit on your hair for about 30 minutes to 40 minutes. Gauge it as you please and then wash it out. I don't know if it's just me, but I don't remember my roots being as bright as you can kind of see. Whichever one I put on my roots, I think that was supposed to be flipped. And that was supposed to go on my actual locks. And then the other one's gonna go on my roots. But anyways, let me show y'all. Just finished washing it. Here's my roots. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Yep. Okay. It doesn't look bad. I do like it. It is actually very cute. The only thing is that, of course, my locks don't look that bad. It's probably because it's pretty dim in here. It's giving ombre. It's giving ombre. It doesn't look bad. It looks cute. I'm working with it because I'm not coloring my hair again. Not today, not anytime soon. So this is how we're going to be looking. Okay, I'm about to retwist my hair now. And then, yeah, I'm about to retwist my hair. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I always appreciate your support. Don't forget, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. And when we reach that goal, I will be doing a nice giveaway to one of my subscribers. So make sure if you're watching this video, you're subscribing because you could be the lucky winner. But other than that, make sure you guys give me a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and follow me on all social media platforms. You can simply find me by searching Octavia.Darling, and I'm sure that I will pop up. Until next time, y'all pray for me because, yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. What's this? I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.